This is a Cicada market, and just from the entrance, turn left, turn right, and then going this way. So I will let you see what is available shops, but it's very hot. See, I will just check the rates. Not that cheap. So souvenirs, 3 in 1. Handmade items as well. Like this, Cicada. This they say is a very famous market near the beach. Just a walking distance, of more than 500 meters. 3 to 4, yeah, if I'm not wrong. This is a good place for souvenirs. If you want to buy the souvenirs, I think this is the good place. Good. Here's the night market. I don't know how long it will be. Shabadi. Oh wow. $3.90, the local brands. It's a copy, local brands. Tony. Nice. Shirts. Oh. No wind. This look like very wow, there is a concert. Let's see what is there. Muay Thai uniform. Cicada. This is called Cicada. Cicada. This is Cicada or Cicada. It's look like a famous place here. The music. The food they can order here around, and then they can come to sit in here. I will walk like this outside, and the light is good, and this one. Plum range, Cicada. Oh, there's a bar. Cheers to someone. So for what? It's like a drinking place. The bar there. We are not going because we don't have any attraction. Huahin souvenir shop. The pony. Why is it famous? What is famous here? The horse. Flowers from huahin. Yeah, there's a map. Huahin baskets. Old. Wow, there is an artist painting. I don't know if I can film them. Okay. There's the view. There's family here. Okay, go again. Yeah, everywhere. Wow. Wow. Nice art. So beautiful. It's just copy something. So beautiful. Yeah. Souvenir shots. Here's the one stands. Kind of stand. Nice art display. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh wow. Beautiful place. It's beautiful art. Painting. Wow. Nice art pieces. Nice. So this is Cicada. This is everyday night market. Wow, this is something different. So
you know what I didn't do tonight?
this is something different. Art and art. So we keep moving everywhere. Art and art. Wow, beautiful. This inspires me actually. I mean, this kind of art. What is the name of this art? But I don't know. It's really impressive. If my camera can show. Oh wow. There's something new going in. He's making something. Wow. So beautiful. Yeah, please tell me in a comment what is the name of this art. Phoenix. He has a line ID, he has many things. So now he's going to cut it up. Okay, different. Ooh. Wow, make a bubble. Oh, gone. The base gone. He just... Wow. They make a piglet and We're gonna make it inside or what? Very tricky. So, oh, the piggy go inside. Wow.
可以啊，你想中国中介的话，当然了，不要说你。
One piggy in a small inside. Okay, let's keep moving. It's beautiful. What? Oh, the puppet show. Puppet show. Puppet show. Look at the audience. Look at the audience. I want to show you something behind if I'm not allowed. Can I go in? Sneak in, sneak in. This is so cute, boy. Look at this. Scene change. Wow, inspiring. So this is a monument, Songkran 2024. So there, end of the Songkran. So that is the monument for the Songkran. So beautiful. So let's see what is next for us. Oh, you can take a picture also. Wow. Cicada. I don't know how to spell cicada. It should be Cicada. But anyway, this is Cicada, so I say Cicada market. Huahin. This is Huahin. Yeah, it's a nice place. Information police office. Yeah. The Robocop. The Robocop. Yeah. Become the car. Wow. Impressive. He's a car now. A little here. He's scared him. It's the only thing you can do. So cute. Because I got a tip box. Okay, let's go. Yeah, another show is going on this way. On my right, I will try to be there. Oh, wow. Wow, 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 wow. चलो यार तेरे पास लाता ही मेरा मरासी ना बाहर ले आओ चंगी भली अंग्रेजी बोल मेरा मरासी बाहर का पैर ना चलेंगे लो जाते थे ओके यार बहुत अच्छा मैं वीडियो बहुत लंबी हो जाएगी मेहनत यहाँ से करांगा कीप मूविंग So this is all about the Cicada market, and I'm going to close my video here. You can see